Good morning, Mountain Lions. Mrs. Silva here with Principal's Message. This is our last full week of school. Next week we're here for only 4 days and Thursday's the last day. I cannot believe how quickly this year has flown by and that we're so close to the very end of the school year. So you probably know what I'm going to say. In these last days of school, your great choices and thoughtfulness, mindfulness regarding character traits, how you treat yourself and how you treat others are going to be very important. Every grade level has some super fun activities scheduled to round out and finish the school year, but if people are making unsafe, disrespectful choices at school, you risk missing out on those opportunities. A perfect example is Field Day, which is scheduled this Friday. We're excited to have a day to go out and play some games and enjoy the sunshine, but if you're disruptive in class or making choices that are hurtful or harmful to others, you may miss that opportunity and others at the end of the year. So remember, keep yourself focused and busy. We know everyone's anxious and excited about the end of the school year. Your teachers and all of the staff are too, but that cannot be an excuse for not being the best you can possibly be every day. Have a little celebration I'd like to share because I was at the TEDx event on Saturday and two of our own students were there on the stage being amazing. Cheers to Benosha, who gave a phenomenal talk. I was very proud of you. You made me cry. And also to Jorge, who was an MC and who was confident and competent in all of his dialogue. We're really proud of you. You made Magnolia proud. Thank you for all of that effort, my friends. Okay, I have a ton of tickets because if you remember, I didn't do any last week. We got some new ticket prizes in too, some cool just paw gear to go along with Mountain Lions, so I hope you'll enjoy the refreshed prizes you get for having your ticket drawn weekly. Remember, you can come in during recess or lunch, or before school. After school's a little bit crazy to have you come in because we have so much going on. So remember, recesses, lunch recess, or before school to pick up your prize. Miss Lisa will have your tickets to verify that you're a winner. Okay, here we go. We have Genesis from Miss Leon's class, Randy from Miss Leon's class, Tamara from Miss Plack's class, Hibatala from Miss Leon's class, I hope I pronounced that correctly, Caesar from Miss Hammett's class, Vitali from Miss Hammett's class, Angel Mata from Mr. Charles' class, Belle from Mr. Charles' class, Angelina from Miss McAlpin and Mr. Charles' class, Michaela from Miss McAlpin and Mr. Charles' class, Raneen from Miss McAlpin and Mr. Charles' class, Rayan from Miss Covey's class, Cameron from Miss Copeland's class, Brianna from Miss Copeland's class, Guadalupe from Miss Covey's class, Yaretsi from Miss Statmuller's class, Marion from Miss Statmuller's class, Sohail from Miss Sargent's class, Farah from Miss Sargent's class, Rocky from Miss Wolzen's class, Lisbeth from Miss Wolzen's class, Yosef from Miss Kanapov's class, Ban from Miss Jolly's class, Abel from Miss Jolly's class, Jenny from Miss Montez's class, James from Miss Montez's class, Jatisha from Miss Olson's class, Emily from Miss Olson's class, Trevor from Miss Custenborder's class, Leanna from Miss Custenborder's class, Noah from Miss Kisbert's class, Itzel from Miss Thomas's class, and Ariana from Miss Thomas's class. If I missed any classes, I apologize. Your teachers will let me know, but I think I pulled from all the ones that were submitted to the boxes. So remember, I want you to use STAR this week and next to make sure that your last days are the best days, and that means stop, think, and act right. Always think before you act and make sure you're making choices that are helpful, never hurtful. Okay, my friends, I know we're going to have a fantastic last full week of school. I will see you around. Have a great day.